And we're recording. Dude, what's the firecracker gonna do?
I don't know.
Close.
Run, Dad, run.
Oh, isn't that wonderful? Is that it?
Go off. It does.
Don't get too close.
Don't die.
It's gonna look like randomly exploding inside out.
Maybe. That first one was
Was that the bomb?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
That was big.
That's a...
I want to watch that on my camera. All you hear is, "Woo, Happy New Year!" Boom! Oh God!
I ain't touching that thing. I think it'll blow your hand off.
Go throw a sparkler at it.
Huh?
Throw a sparkler at it.
You shot up there.
I got a few sparklers. Please, please, please.